good girl.
Shelby, come on, girl. Come on.
Shelby, Shelby, come here. Yeah. There you go. Good girl. Oh, look.
She's so cool to watch in the grass. Where's that Ropey? Let's see if she'll go after him.
Oh, the dog's jumping around in the grass. Oh.
1, 2, 3. Go get it. Go get it. Good girl.
Get your Ropey. It's right there. Hey, Shelby. Oh, it's a Shelby. Good poke.
See?
Yeah, yeah.
I knew it.
There's a
I knew
pal.
she'd want to go see
God,
it.
that looks like Sparky a little bit.
It does.
Older. She loves golden.
Yeah.
It's just a thing.
Someone's coming to say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Jay,
Yeah.
can you get the camera out of the side pocket? Shelby, go swimming? You want to go swimming? Go swimming. There she goes.
Good girl. Good
Camera.
girl. Good job.
Good girl. Good girl, Shelby.
Good
Good
job.
girl.
You can do it. There you go. Good job.
Go swimming, Shelby.
Go get it. Go on, Sierra. Get it. Go get it. Right here.
Look here. Go in the water.
Good girl.
She takes a couple little laps at it, and then she goes back in and. There she goes, Shelby. Go swimming. Is there another dog in there?
I love that bounding puppy.
Uh-huh.
What you doing, Shelby? You're going to get
You
outrun
found a
every
friend.
time.
Especially with those dogs.
So fun. It looks like you crimped her hair too.
Chasing when your back's chasing.
You know, having a Siberian Husky for a friend for Shelby would keep her in good shape.
Oh, for
Oh,
sure.
yeah.
That's a she, right?
She wants to play with
Yeah.
her. That's nice.
I think it reminds her of Jersey.
There you go.
You got a new.
Then sometimes you gotta do the teasing. Oh.
This is cute.
Yeah, that's awesome to watch.
Good play. Good girl. Good comp. Good comp. Come on, girl.
Come on, Zeddy.
Come on. Come on. Come on. That's my good dog. Girl.
Shelby, come. Come. Good comp. Good girl. Good comp. Good girl. Yeah, you fix that. Good job. Good girl. Good close.
Here we go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Just going across the bridge. Camera, come take pictures.
Wow.
What's going on over here?
You gotta, don't forget about your back end.
That's right. He's still in training. He hasn't quite figured it out. Good girl. Go ahead. Go for a swim. There you go.
Good girl,
Good job.
Shelby.
Good girl.
You walk in like you can do it. Look. There we go.
Good. Oh boy.
Shelby, come on. Shake over here.
Ellie.
Good girl. Come on.
Oh my God. I want to see that again.
Shelby loves that. I mean,
That's what
it's
makes
motivating for her.
Look at her go now.
Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, don't go that far out. Not yet. You're gonna get stronger.
7 months.
Okay. See, eventually we'll get in.
Yeah.
We're just at 5, so.
It's surprising how motivating the other dogs are.
Yes.
I know.
Last week was her first
Here we
time
go.
here, and her first time in the water.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. Okay.
What was that move?
Yay! Look.
Hey, Shelby, not in the water. No hitch and rides.
Look.
'Come on. In the water.
This is her second time here, but it just took the other dogs kind of for her
Get in,
to see.
yeah.
How does this work again?
We thought we could coax her in if he was in there, but that didn't work.
Oh,
Just stick his neck out as far as he can to reach the ball, but that's it.
right.
Not yet.
Hey, come over here. Come on. Come on. Hey, come. Good girl. Shelby, come on. Come. Hey, Shelby, come here. Come over here. Nothing easy now. Good girl. Come here, Todd. Get the ball. Get the ball. Thank you.
Good girl.
In the water, come on.
Oh, hello. Yes.
Come on, swim away.
Oh, look at her. Okay, that's the farthest she's been out.
In the water. Come on.
Hey, Shelby.
Good girl.
That's somebody else's ball. That's right.